Has so indeed has the expectation of both teams. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. And already we're underway here. Oh, good spread. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. Joelinton going full steam ahead down the left flank. Oh, the shot could be on here. Played towards the front line. Nelson Semedo. In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
He's got tall. He's delivered all right. First blood drawn.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
The goal scorer after 60
So we have the first goal.
Well, I guess this ought to make things interesting, Peter. No doubt the opposition will now be forced to play a more open and riskier game.
And if you have just joined us, still just one goal between them. 1-0 the score. Joelinton tries looking up for options on the left. We always look the favourite there. Well, that defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. Matheus Cunha. They're back in possession and ready to go again. Joelinton. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. That's tidy. 15 minutes till half-time. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Joelinton has found the net here, of course. Semedo providing an outlet on that flank. Pinches it off him. Makalele. Nice bit of trickery. Stood up well to him there.
It looks very much like they'd be happy to settle for this narrow lead at the break.
Mucci. Oh, good read.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Nouri. And the whistle goes for half-time. Well, a very decent watch up to now, but just the one goal so far. It has been competitive and combative throughout. How do it back on the first 45 minutes?
A lead that's fully justified for me. They've shown some excellent counter-attacking now, and it's paying dividends.
Chelsea leading 1-0 at the break. And we're already back up and running after half-time. Chelsea carrying a one-goal lead. Oh, that's a key interception. Joelinton goes on a run down the left wing. Oh, sweet feet. Quick look, then plays it in. Matheus Cunha. Oh, he's got a sight of goal. That is great defending, so alert. And the finish! It's there! They have come roaring back!
Oh, listen, the writing was on the wall. It looked like this was going to happen, and it has.
That was a given. It always was.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
That has certainly made things interesting. And he's had a
The
hit!
attendance for this match was
Oh, that is rather wayward.
72,306.
It was very much worth a try, and I've seen
Substitution in
worse.
progress.
That should tee him up nicely for his next attempt at least.
Torreira. And it's Makalele. Played towards the other side. And Torreira. Bellingham. Mathias Cunha. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Makalele. He's looking to set free a runner. He is just caressing the ball. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner.
Substitution.
Chelsea with the corner, they're first. Mucci goes short. Has a shot! Sensational save by Jose Sarr. Wolverhampton have the chance to go the other way. No, he wasn't being taken in by that trickery. Semedo really struggling to influence the game.
They're just trying to negate his influence, and it looks like whatever it takes.
It's a sweet ball, that. Now it's Mathias Cunha. Now, who's going to be first? Oh, he's been caught napping. Punched away.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
No, that's been intercepted.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for...
Oh no, what a great chance! Oh, what about that? And that has raised the roof!
Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
So, time for changes on both sides, actually. Wolverhampton complete their comeback, and now they only need to hold out for a few minutes.
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
Great defending, strong and determined. Joelinton, now the finish! Oh, denied brilliantly!
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
5 minutes added time.
Well, in my opinion, set pieces are 50-50 moments, and this is a rather big one, and it all depends on the service.
In for a header! And that is the end of it. They hung on right till the finish. Well, you can hear the analysis starting already, the intricate details and nuances being debated, and they will be for several days. But only one thing matters for now. They lost it. As we look back on the game then, Jim. Well,